Kids who are good at public speaking make really bad videos. Here's why. A good video essentially is delivering that message, and there are a lot of ways that you can deliver a message without using your voice, whether if it's text or using purely visuals with no one speaking. But most of the time, the fastest way to get people to understand your message in a video is through speaking. Now this is where kids who are really good at public speaking think that they have an advantage, and they do if they decide to learn the proper ways of making videos. See, a good video is about making the video easy to watch. It doesn't matter how good your public speaking is. If your video is not edited in a way that helps you to bring out that message, no one's gonna watch, and therefore you're not gonna get that views and subscribers. And editing includes knowing how to make videos that people want to watch, framing your video and moving it around so that you can continue capturing the attention of your viewers. But most public speaking kids, because they think they can speak well, that's the only thing that they rely on. So they ended up making videos that is just setting up a camera and record them talking for about 10 minutes, whereas in reality, people will only watch like 10 seconds of it until they realize this video is quite boring. Understanding and making video is a skill itself, and if your kid is good at public speaking, you can combine these two skills into an incredible force. Hey parents, you can join my free YouTube online coaching program, and here's another video that you might be interested to watch to make your kid a better creator.